What's up, everybody? Today on TK Driven, we're just going to do a quick review of this Meguiars glass polish. It comes as part of a Perfect Clarity Glass care kit from Meguiars. Inside the box you get the Perfect Clarity Glass polishing compound, the well-known Meguiars foam pad, a little piece of square foam, and a Perfect Clarity glass sealant for after you've done the polish. We're going to use it on Quicksilver, the 93 Rx7. This must be an original windshield, and it's got a lot of pitted little rock chips and things. Now the polish will not remove any kind of rock chips, but if you've got some minor scratching or any kind of water spots that you can't scrub out by hand, this polish should take care of that. You can see how much stuff is on this windshield. Another reason I suspect it's the original windshield, it still has this sticker on the inside. Import Car of the Year 1993. So that's a cool bit of nostalgia. The best way I've found to apply this, I've got a 3-inch felt pad on a DeWalt drill. You just soak it down after you shake up the bottle real well. And the reason I have to start with this small pad is these felt pads murder your trim pieces. So start with a real small pad and go around the edges where you can control, and then we'll switch to a much larger pad and do the whole windshield. I've found if you lean on the front edge of your pad as you're working, that helps to reduce the wobble. So now that I've worked around all the edges, I've got a 7-inch felt pad. Soak it down as well. And fill in all the large areas. I usually spread it out like this so it doesn't throw as much. And then start to work it in just like you would a car's paint. Got a little water alcohol mixture. Clean off all the extra polish. Flip to a clean side and keep on going. And then because this is so soaked, another tip, get a brand new one because glass shows you everything. So get a fresh microfiber towel and try to get rid of that last bit of streaking from the polish compound. Well, that looks a lot cleaner. I'm going to go ahead and hit it again and attempt to let it run a little longer and with some more pressure on some of these harder scratches and things, and just give it another pass. And here's after the second pass. A lot of pressure and a lot of time. Let the product work. All of the rock chips are there. There's no amount of polish that's going to dig down into actual chips in glass. But the scratches up here in the corner, they're completely gone. And all of the surface imperfections are gone. There's a lot of rock chips. This windshield could be a good candidate to be replaced, actually. I wonder if I can get my awesome nostalgia sticker off if I replace the windshield. For the glass sealant, you want to make sure the windshield is completely, totally clean. Take the gray applicator they provide, soak it down, and you just want to make sure you get really good even coverage. So do like a box, draw you a box, and do a cross pattern. So move back and forth inside the box and then go up and down inside the box, similar to the way you apply a ceramic coating. And this product is pretty similar to Rain-X, but it's supposed to last a little bit longer according to their claims. So then do one section at a time and do your entire windshield, and it takes 5 to 10 minutes to cure. In high humidity it could be 15 to 30 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. So to remove this, you get a clean microfiber towel and you completely soak it. Wring it out and just leave it damp. And start to wipe away the excess. Switch to a clean side. And then I like to follow it up with a completely dry, clean microfiber. Once you get it wiped off and completely dried, you give it an hour without touching it for the full cure time. And that's it. Now you've applied a sealant to the glass, and it should last quite a long time. You can see how reflective the windshield is now. Looks really good. That's it for today's video, guys. I really appreciate you liking and subscribing. I'm gonna go ahead and continue doing all the rest of the glass surfaces. Have a good one.